4-bedroom, 2.5-bath double-wide plus 1,500 square feet fixer-upper home on 12.2 beautiful acres just 15 minutes from town. Ideal for county living. All new double-pane windows and sliding doors throughout. Roof installed in 2011. Completely rewired this year, meets all Americans with disabilities requirements with ramp walkway at front entrance. There is also a 1,500 square feet 3-bedroom 1-bath home included with this property. With some fixing up, this home would make a perfect rental property or guest dwelling. Properties are being sold ASs.